The Pythonidae, commonly known simply as pythons, are a family of non-venomous snakes found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Among its members are some of the largest snakes in the world. 8 genera and 31 species are currently recognized. Hang on a minute, wrong channel. It's also a really cool programming language. But forget about the whole Pythonidae thing. Pythonidae? Not really sure how I pronounce that. Well, that doesn't matter because we code at Codeland, not learn how to pronounce the scientific names of snakes. So, what is Python? Like I said before, Python is a programming language. This guy, Guido van Rossum, from the Netherlands made it, and continues to help in its development. It's open source, which means all of its code is freely available. It's totally free, and the Python Software Foundation mostly manages and funds it. Python can be used for loads of things, so lots of companies use it, including Instagram, Reddit, Google, and even the very thing you're watching this video on, YouTube. So then, why should you use it? Well, there are lots of reasons. For a start, Python is an interpretive language, which is just a fancy way of saying it can do things right away. This is great because most other programming languages have to compile or look at all the code at once and make the computer understand all of it at once, which can take a while for big programs. So imagine writing a bunch of code, waiting for it to compile, only to find it won't run because you made a small mistake. That's what's so cool about Python. If you did the same thing in Python, you wouldn't have to wait those few minutes to compile and you can get straight to fixing it. Not only that, Python can be used quickly, and it's easily readable by other people. It has a massive library of different tools which can help shorten your code by doing things for you. That's why it's so popular. These libraries are what makes this language so flexible. It's great for web development, science, data crunching, cloud configuration, and more. Like I said before, it's open source, so there's a big community willing to help you out if you need it. Python is flexible, meaning it doesn't matter if you're a noob or a pro because Python will always be on your level. But the best thing about Python is that it's really fun. Seriously. If you're learning Python in school and you're finding it boring, they're teaching you wrong. Or maybe you do find it boring, in which case, why are you still here? Okay, but what about the versions? How does that all work? Well, there are 2 main supported branches of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2 is the legacy line of Python, and it ended with Python 2.7. It's still supported, but the brand new Python 3 has lots of benefits over Python 2, and there are continuous updates to it. For the upcoming Python tutorials I'll be uploading, I'll be using Python 3.8, which is the latest version of Python as of now. But if you're in the future and there's a new version of Python 3, most of the stuff I'm going to be teaching you will most probably still work. So then, thanks for watching this short little intro to Python. I hope you learned something new today, because I sure did. I didn't know there were 31 species of Python in the world. Personally though, I think Cobras are much cooler. Either way, if this video has persuaded you to want to learn Python, you should probably click the subscribe button, ring that bell, and YouTube will hopefully be kind enough to tell you when I post my next few Python videos. And while you're at it, you may as well like the video too and share it with your friends. If you don't like it, you may as well go ahead and dislike the video, and rant in the comments about why it's bad. Might learn a thing or two from your advice. And with that, I better wrap up this video. Till next time, see ya!